Hey guys, I just wanted to share with you today my first attempt at making liquid dishwasher soap. So one of the reasons I like trying some DIYs and using my essential oils is because I know it is a lot healthier than a lot of the products out there that have some hazardous chemicals. So this helps to reduce the toxic load. And secondly, it is very cost effective once you have a few staple items because you can make all kinds of DIYs with them. All right, so just gonna walk you through my liquid dishwasher soap. And this comes from doTerra.com. You can probably find this on their blog, but it is definitely in the Living magazine. So let's see, looking at our ingredients, the first item that I used is Castile soap, and that's right here. And I just did a half an ounce of that. And I put all of these in a just a big bowl. And this is the unscented Dr. Bronner's, so whatever Castile soap that you can find, a half ounce. And then 3 1/4 cups of purified water. So I just have this basic distilled water. I just picked it up today. It cost me $1.79. I had the Castile soap for a while, so I don't remember the price on that. But I use it for so many other things like body wash and face wash and other products. So I really get my money's worth out of that for sure. Then 4 ounces of white vinegar. This is just a staple thing that I have in my kitchen anyway, so using some things that I already have. 4 ounces of that. 1 ounce of citric acid powder. And this is a great thing to have on hand for things like bath bombs. If you want to make those, that's fun too. So that's used again in lots of different DIYs. So 1 ounce of that. And then 1 cup of kosher salt. Again, something that I have on hand anyway, and I can repurpose it and use it for my DIYs and my cleaning products. And then finally, and most importantly, we've got 30 drops of doTerra lemon essential oil. So lemon essential oil is a great cleansing and purifying oil. So I love to use that in cleaning products, and it smells really fresh and clean. And then of course the only other things I needed besides my bowl was my handy measuring cup. You can see it's well used. And I used this little shot glass to measure the ounces. So just to recap there, it's a half an ounce of Castile soap, 3 1/4 cups of purified water, 4 ounces of white vinegar, 1 ounce of citric acid powder, 1 cup of kosher salt, and then 30 drops of lemon essential oil from doTerra. Then you mix those all in the bowl, and then I'm storing mine in this jar here. Ideally, you might want to have something that has a pump on it. I don't have that right now, or I have one that I'm using for my dishwashing soap that I use at the sink, not for my dishwasher. And then I've labeled this dishwashing soap, and it's 2 tablespoons of this per load in the dishwasher. So when you're going to run, just add about 2 tablespoons from here, and you want to store the mixture in the refrigerator so that you can prevent fermentation. But now I've got this handy. I don't know how many loads this is going to last me, but I know that it's safe and healthier than many alternatives, and I'll let you know how it goes, and everything will be lemony fresh as well. So that's just a little bit of liquid dishwashing soap, and you can find it in the Living magazine of doTerra this month, which is summer of 2018. So that's where it is. Find it there, and give it a try and let me know how you like it. Have fun.